My name is Jonathan Eisele. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I can burp on command. So I actually learned how to burp on command from my mother. When I was a kid, me and her used to have burping contests, and she would absolutely just obliterate me in these contests because she would end up just letting one rip. She didn't fart, she burped. But I'm pretty sure both of those statements work. But so slowly I'd train myself on how to be more and more. I'd worked on duration and then depth and then I was able to do that. And I remember the first time I actually beat her in a contest. She looked at me and she said, "What the hell just crawled out of your stomach?" And my mother never curses, especially when I was a kid. So I was like, "Oh my gosh, you said a bad word." If you want me to wait a little bit, I'll probably actually end up swallowing one and be like, "Okay, that one's gonna come back in a minute. You're just gonna have to wait." Yes, I can.
You can burp
Especially with soda. Yeah, it's gonna be easy.
Okay.
All my burps have personality. Oh, I swallowed it. I can burp my ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Oh, the G was a bitch.
I just had a big ass dinner too. Never thrown up. It's a different part of your stomach.
Fought that one out.
I did. Push it out. Finish all the air. Oh, that was pussy. I can't say that. There it is.